Stop believing that by working hard, by having grit, such as passion and perseverance, as well as self-discipline, will help you to become financially successful. Of course, these qualities matter. They are part of the foundation for financial freedom, but they are not the only things that need to be developed so you can become financially successful in these tough and challenging times. Even though I work hard my whole life, even though I have self-discipline, even though I am persistent on the things I really want to accomplish, I realized that I needed more than hard work, self-discipline, and grit to succeed in these tough and challenging times. I am not saying that having qualities such as hard work, having grit, and self-discipline don't matter for success. What I'm saying is this: if you really want to be successful and become financially independent and in these tough and challenging times, then you need to develop the right mindset, the skills, the qualities, the tools and habits and behaviors to become truly successful. In terms of mindsets, you need to believe that without having the right mindset, nothing is possible. So you need to develop a growth mindset. You also need to develop a mindset of abundance, a mindset of possibilities, in which you believe that anything is possible. And if you really can believe that anything is possible, then you can achieve it. Because as they say, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. If you want to know more about why mindset matters for success, I would recommend you to watch the video above. We know that people who become successful are always learning new skills. They're always upskilling themselves. So if you really want to be successful, you need to identify which skills are going to take you to the next level in your career. There are two master skills I would highly recommend you to develop. The first skill is what I call the art of deliberate fulfillment. Unfortunately, money and success won't make you happy. It's not what we get that makes us happy. It's what we become. Once you become someone who is driven to create a better and more meaningful life, then money and success will automatically come to you. You need to find out truly what fulfills you, what gives you great joy, great fulfillment, and spend your whole life working on it. After you develop and master the art of deliberate fulfillment, you need to develop what I call the science of success and achievement. This is the second skill. As they say, success leaves clues. There is a recipe for success, because success leaves tracks. So find out the people who already achieved what you already want to achieve and model them. Learn the way they do things, the way they work. Learn the systems. After you develop and master the first skill, which is the art of deliberate fulfillment, then you need to master and develop the science of success and achievement. As they say, success leaves clues. So find out what other people achieve in your field and model them. Do whatever it takes to learn as much as you learn from successful people. If you want to learn more about these two master skills for success and happiness, check the video above, which is about the two master skills for success and happiness in life. In terms of tools, there are 3 tools I recommend you to use in order to increase your productivity and profit. The first tool is the 80-20 Pareto rule. The second tool is the Parkinson's law. And the third tool is called the Eisenhower matrix. So what is the 80-20 Pareto rule? According to this rule, only 20% of goals will produce 80% of results. So my advice to you is that you need to stop focusing on too many goals or too many tasks, because they will distract you from your top priority goals or tasks. So the new approach is to reverse the 80-20 rule to 20-80 rule. So basically you want to focus on few goals and tasks that will lead to 80% of your success and happiness. Now let's talk about the second tool, which is the Parkinson's law. So have you heard of this law? According to this law, the work expands to fill the time available for its completion. According to this law, if we have 1 month to complete a task, it will take us 1 month to complete it. But if you have 1 week to complete it, it will also take the same time, 1 week. So knowing this, we need to adjust according to the new deadlines and make sure that we get things done in less time instead of leaving for too long. The way you master Parkinson's law is to have deadlines, shorter deadlines to force you to act faster on the high priority goals. Now, in terms of the third tool, which is called the Eisenhower Matrix. This decision matrix allows you to prioritize and organize your tasks and goals by order of priority. Now, if you want to know more about this tool, I did a video about this. Just check the video above and to learn more about how to prioritize and organize your goals and tasks. To sum up, the foundation for financial freedom are qualities, mindsets, skills, tools, and good habits. Which skills, qualities, mindsets, tools, and habits do you need to develop right now so you can go to the next level in your career and business? Leave me a comment below this video.